Hello, everybody. I'm a few minutes late. Oh my gosh. I am so glad that you could join me for Teach Me Tuesday. And today we're going to talk about all things envelopes because it's December, 1st. So we're getting ready for our holiday mailings of our cards. And I thought how nice it would be to show you a few ideas on how to decorate your envelopes. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I've got a few great things to show you. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Let me, hold on just a minute. I'm going to, no, that's not what I want. I swear it's not. Oh boy. Bear with me here a minute. I got myself turned around. There we go. There we go. Okay, now I'm ready. Okay, so we're going to talk today a little bit about the suite in the catalog of the holiday catalog on page 40 called Ornamental Envelopes Bundle. And I think it's kind of a sleeper bundle. I don't think people realize that this is a fantastic bundle. So I'm going to show you some cards that I made with it. Hopefully they'll kind of surprise you a little bit. And then I'm going to show you how great it is for using your envelope. So the nice thing about a bundle is you have to remember that when you purchase the stamp set and the dies together, you get 10% off. So that is why we love bundles. We love to get a savings. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you what the products are. So you get a stamp set called Ornamental Envelopes. And it is got some great ornaments. It's got some different pieces that might look a little strange, but I'm going to show you some cute ideas using it. And then it's got these 12 dies. Well, there's actually 11 here because I've got one over here. But they cut out the images and then they cut out pieces for the back of the envelope and the different envelope sizes. So I love it. I absolutely love it. So let's look at some of the cards that you can make or that I've made using that stamp set. So we've got a little bit of a lag as I usually do. So just bear with me. I'm going to see if I can out a little bit. Okay, so here, I think that's just the nature of my internet, but hopefully it'll show up here soon. So I don't know why it shows one camera but not the other. So here's one where I stamped and cut, I embossed the little ornaments and stamped them and added a greeting, because as you can see this set does not have a greeting. So I used for Onto Us and made a greeting right here. And then I did one, hold on, I should have this closer, with just one set of the ornaments and used the greeting Deck the Halls and added a little bit of bling. And so that's one way for the ornament. Then one more with the ornaments. And this is just a kind of a simple card with shaded spruce and some gold, and again with For Onto Us. So using the ornaments, there's the ornaments. And then here's a couple wreath cards. So you see these pieces right here with the wreath, these little pieces, here we go. These can be used for wreath, and I've done that right here on this card. This is probably one of my favorite cards. So I made these cards, oh, so long ago. But they are stamped with early espresso. I stamped this piece right here over and over again. And then I used the little dots right here. Trying to move my card out of the way, show you. Okay, and then I embossed those in white and added a little bit of bling and stamped and cut out the little flowers. Sorry, I have a lag on my phone for some reason. And then I added a greeting and some of the gold cord, so I love that card. And then here's one more using a wreath idea. Hopefully I'll catch up here soon and you won't miss too much. I'm kind of watching to see. I know I'm lagging a lot. There we go. And this is using the other pieces, the dots, and same greeting, same For Onto Us, and just cutting out some circles and adding them. And this is just a designer series paper card where you use 4 inches by 12 inches of paper. I think I've shown you that before, but I love this idea of this card. And then lastly, I had to make a little Charlie Brown tree. So here's my little Charlie Brown tree. I made a little terracotta pot and put the little branch in it. The nice thing about these being photopolymer is that they are very flexible. So I can bend those stamps around and make them go the way I want them, and then add one little ornament, because that's Charlie Brown's tree. Okay, so there are my cards using the ornamental envelope, but it is called ornamental envelope. So why, what do we do with these pieces here? So I'm going to show you things you can do with them, and then I'm going to show you some little added extras that you can do with your envelopes. So just to dress them up a little bit for the holidays. So as you know, we do carry medium envelopes in vanilla and whisper white. Here's our envelopes. We also carry a 3x3 or an envelope for a 3x3. We've got that. And then we have note cards and envelopes. Sorry, I just did my fingernails and I can't pick anything up. So we've got note cards and envelopes that come in a package. All right, that's one option. Those can be mailed. And then we have, I don't know if you've seen these in the holiday catalog, but these are gorgeous. These are gold envelopes and cards. I'm gonna wait and see if I catch up. I don't want to go too far. Okay, there, we've got gold envelopes and cards. So we've got that, and we're gonna dress that up a little bit. And then we've got also some Memories and More envelopes and cards. Let's see, I have one over here, right here. So here's the Memories and More envelope, and here's a little card. And you can just, why it's called Memories and More is that you could take the Memories and More kit that goes with it. This one is called Wonder of the Season, and these are made to be made so that you can make them super easily. So I might just take one of the Memories and More cards, and I could add this. And then in here, you also get some stickers. So what if we just, I'm going to put a card together. How about that? How about impromptu? What if I just put a little bit of greenery here, and then I'm going to take, so you've got other labels here. I've got the greenery, I've got some greetings, I've got some gold. So you could do that. But what if we take the word magical? I don't even know if this is going to look good, but you know what it needs? It needs not magical. Maybe red. Okay, so we could just add sending you Christmas wishes and then glue that down onto our card. And that's how quick these cards are. That's how quick these cards are. So, they are wonderful. And so let's start with the largest envelope cutter right here, envelope piece, and that is for these size cards. So these are the Memories and More cards. And what I did was I cut a piece of designer series paper from the matching designer series paper in that suite, and I just put it inside. So this is for this size. And then we've got one, this is the one I didn't have out, and that is for our note cards and envelopes. So as you can see, you can cut it and then place it right inside there. Then we've got the small one right here, and that is for the inside of our little 3x3 envelopes, little ones that fit in a 3x3 envelope. So let me show you some tips and tricks on how to do that. So I've cut a piece right here out of the Christmas DSP, and I cut it, and then I left about 1.25 inches to fit inside of my envelope. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it inside, and there's two ways to do this. You can either, if you want a lot, then you're going to put it all the way up to the top like that, and then fold it over, and that's what I did here. And then when I go to close my envelope, I'm going to need to use some liquid adhesive or my seal, okay? But let's see, on the other option is to go down, and that way you leave your seal right here, and you can just use your, I use my water brushes. When I'm sealing envelopes, I don't lick them anymore. I just use my water brush that's sitting right on my desk, and that works out really well. So I folded that right at the crease, and my tip is use your liquid adhesive, but only put your liquid adhesive on this flap. Don't put it on the part that's going inside of your card. And the reason is because that gives this a little, see how it's I mean, you probably can't see it, but it slides a little. And that way, if I had it all glued, then it's going to be really tough to close. It gives it the option of being able to slide a little bit as you close it. So that's my little tip on using the, just how to adhese that on there. So before we go, oh, you love my nail color. Okay, Brenda says I love she loves, because she's my big Cubby fan. But I'll tell you what, I went to do my videos for my December at home on Monday, and my nails look terrible. So I sat down and did my nails, and this is actually color changing. So because I put gel nails on, it's staying cold, but when I wash my hands or I'm warm at night under my blankie, then they turn silver. So it is kind of fun, but Cubby Blue is a good way to think of it too. So I want to give you a couple of, oh wait, I forgot a whole section I had for you. So I told you there's other ways to decorate your flaps or your envelope. So look at this. This is, I don't know, can you see this? Let's see. So what I've done is I've taken a embossing folder. I took the snowflake embossing folder and I ran the flap of my card through the embossing folder, just like this. And so I get this awesome snowflake. I'm going to show you a card that I know you can see it on. Then I did it on a vanilla, so you could see it on vanilla. I'm going to hold it up and see. Yeah, see how pretty that is? I know I'm freezing, but it's super, super pretty. And then we've also got, I told you we had these gold envelopes. So I did a folder. I'm going to kind of hold it here for a minute because I know I'm frozen. My phone is frozen, so I want to make sure that you can see it. So here is the little polka dotted folder for the gold card. Come on, telephone. There we go. And here's a beautiful card I made using those pre-made envelopes. We just added the middle, and then I embossed the flap. Isn't that pretty? See on there, you can really see it. It's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. So I am offering, I'm gonna put this back on my face. Okay, there. And I am offering a little special for anyone who places an order for the ornamental envelope bundle that I showed you right here on page 40. So here's the, oops, there we go. There's the ornamental envelope bundle. If you don't have that in your stash and you order that using that host code BKVVCHRW, then I'm going to send you some free envelopes. So I've got a package of white and vanilla envelopes, and I'm going to drop those in the mail to you as a thank you for your order. That, or if you place a $50 or more order on that host code, I will also send this send this as a thank you to you for ordering on my host code. So take a snapshot of that screenshot right there now. And then I want to say thank you for joining me for Teach Me Tuesday. I hope that my lag on my phone wasn't too much of a problem, and I hope that it's still recording. I know it freezes from time to time. I don't know why, it's just started doing that. So I'm going to try to figure that out. But until next Tuesday, join me like this Friday. I've got coffee class, and we'll have a little bit more chatter then on Friday. Bring your coffee in the morning at 10, and it's going to be deer season here again, but second shotgun season isn't as busy, so we'll have time to visit and have coffee and do a card. So I hope that you enjoyed today's. Please, please, please feel free to, I'm going to take that off, sorry, taking that off, and like, comment, and share. I appreciate all that. I'm trying to build my online business now that we're back in having our numbers go up. I'm gonna not be in the nest anymore for the winter, and so I appreciate if you like, comment, and share on this video, and thank you for supporting my small business. I really appreciate you. So you guys have a good rest of your Tuesday, and I'll see you on Friday, I hope.